Hey, monsters! Are you ready to guess logos by their sounds? Make sure to watch the video till the end to look out for the secret word on screen. Comment it down below for a chance to be featured in the next Quiz Monster video. Ready? Let's go! Guess this logo. It's Netflix! Can you guess which logo this is? It's Disney! Which fast food brand do you prefer? KFC, McDonald's, or Burger King? Which logo does this sound belong to? Snapchat. Which logo is behind this sound? WhatsApp. Which logo makes this sound? I'm loving it. It's McDonald's. I'm loving it. Do you know this logo? That's Apple. Can you identify this logo sound? It's PlayStation. Nice! Which logo sound is this? It's Coca-Cola. Guess this logo. Windows. Ooh, what logo is this sound from? YouTube. Which logo plays this sound? It's Intel. Guess the logo. It's Samsung. Can you identify this logo? Exactly. That's Google. Guess the logo. Starbucks. Can you guess the hidden logo? Oh, it's Coca-Cola. Guess the logo. It's HBO. Can you guess the logo? That's Facebook. Can you guess the logo? It's Visa. Which drink do you prefer? Mountain Dew, Dr. Pepper, or Pepsi? Guess the logo. Oh, it's Skype. Guess the logo. It's Burger King. Which logo sound is this? Nike. Guess the logo. That's TikTok. Guess the logo from this sound. That's Subway. Guess the logo from this sound. It's Adidas. Do you know this logo sound? That's KFC. Guess the logo. Oh, it's Spotify. Find the odd one out. There it is. Guess the logo. Audi. Which logo is this sound from? Can you guess this logo sound? Instagram. Which logo plays this sound? It's LG. How many did you get? Guess the logo. It's Sony. Which logo makes this sound? It's Taco Bell. How many did you get? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun challenges.